What's up guys, welcome back to Samy's Camera, and today we're gonna talk about the all-new GoPro Hero 10. We had the chance to take the Hero 10 out for a spin and it did not disappoint. This is the 10th camera in the Hero lineup and GoPro has delivered on some major improvements. This is the most powerful GoPro ever. Oh, by the way, this is Devin. He's gonna show us just how awesome the GoPro Hero 10 is with its glorious slow motion capabilities. One of the biggest improvements is the all-new GP2 processor chip. This new processor has allowed the Hero 10 to operate faster, smoother, and much more like a smartphone. From its super responsive touchscreen to the heavy video processing like local tone mapping and improved noise reduction. Previous generations saw the Hero camera be glitchy and would often freeze up. The all-new GP2 chip has certainly remedied that. A more powerful chip means increased performance and capabilities. The feature that stands out about the Hero 10 is its 5.3K video capability at double the frame rate. That means you can now shoot at 60 frames per second, aka slow motion, at a whopping 5.3K resolution. If you want to shoot at 4K instead, GoPro has now upped the frame rate capability to 120 frames per second. With phone cameras being more competitive these days, GoPro is definitely pushing the envelope with the frame rate features on the Hero 10. And if you want to shoot even slower, you can now shoot 240 frames per second at 1080. Another improvement that impressed me is the new HyperSmooth 4.0, GoPro's image stabilization feature. It's a step up from the HyperSmooth 3.0 in previous generations, and with the 4.0 you can get ridiculously steady footage. The new chip also makes wireless transfers to GoPro's Quick app 30% faster. You can access, edit, and share them with ease. If you're taking still images, you can now pull 19.6 megapixel stills from the video. This can be pretty convenient if you want to capture both video and photos simultaneously. And especially if you're using the GoPro for action shots, pulling photos from your action video clips is super ideal. But if you just want to take regular photos, you can snap gorgeous pictures at 23 megapixels. And like always, the GoPro is built for you to shoot rugged or underwater. The Hero 10 is waterproof up to 33 feet. So if you're a weekend warrior, this is a camera for you. You can also level up your camera with all sorts of GoPro mods and attachments. The Hero 10 is great for action photography and video, as well as vlogging day-to-day life. You can even live stream with the Hero 10. Visit us at samys.com to find out more about the Hero 10 from GoPro. And remember, here at Samy's, we're so much more than a camera store.